nature and natural beauty is a great uniting force. The entire Finger Lakes region is full of these incredibly dramatic landscapes that are really accessible to a lot of people.
To love a place, you have to experience it. And so when we take people out to experience this, hopefully that motivates them to be good stewards as well.
Otherwise, if we're not conservationists, then, we lose this opportunity to have what we have here.
The Finger Lakes is actually a hidden gem.
Almost no areas like this in the country that have all of this water, natural water, not reservoirs.
You have a lot of forests, you have the lakes, of course, that are gorgeous, but you have a lot of beautiful farms that people are pouring, their heart and soul into.
People get up here and they look around and I can't tell you how many smiles I've seen.
I was a little bit nomadic for many years, and then I came to the Finger Lakes. Even though I didn't grow up in this area, it feels like home.
I think it's important that we keep them protected and accessible.
The collaboration is key. It makes us all better.
I'm proud to be part of an organization who has this mission to get people out enjoying this area, but also being a responsible steward or caretaker of our environment.
We can create a baseline that says everyone is welcome to participate here in our great outdoors. And so that's what we're looking for. We're looking for inclusion to be just a matter of business, a way of life.